Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. Today's workout is a 2-minute tongue twister challenge. And our tongue twister today is only 2 words, so easy. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. So the 2 sounds we're making are s and sh. Okay, so let's try our tongue twister. Selfish, shellfish. So the first word starts with s and finishes with sh. The second word starts with sh and finishes with sh. So, selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Now you try. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Let's try 3 times as fast as you can. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. I have to concentrate. So keep practicing. Just a couple of minutes every day will help to make your English muscles stronger and your pronunciation better. Thanks for joining me on today's workout at Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. You can find more pronunciation workouts and other English videos on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for lots more motivation and inspiration. Thanks for watching.